I want to take a video of guitar guy singing.
Oh, we should.
Dan, be careful, man. This is beautiful. This is like a Mona Lisa of marshmallows.
It is actually.
It is.
That's pretty epic.
I can't see it. Sorry. The picture is really dark.
Okay.
It's got to be the blackness, because then the gooiness is on the inside.
Oh my god. That's how I make mine.
Exactly.
I'm not having a s'mores at all. I don't want a lot of sugar.
You're strange. You're a growing boy. You need your sugar.
I don't want a lot of sugar as he drinks the soda.
Yeah.
Look at the fire in my camera. It looks like
Eat it.
awesome.
Fire.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Dude, do you remember Evan? He was here last year. Me and him burned plastic bottles in the fire once. That was a long time ago.
Wait, were you with us when the
We
monk
burned
story
plastic bottles?
when the monk story was told at Keswick?
That obnoxious story.
Oh,
That was
do you
like
remember that?
this-
We sat there for like half an hour. The guy made it a half an hour.
Oh my
Whenever
gosh.
we retell it, it's always like only 10 minutes or something like that.
Yeah.
But he was literally, we sat there for, can you hold my stick, please?
Yeah.
For forever. And then I